This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a golf putter. First, gather your putter head, shaft, and grip. You'll also need epoxy, a vise, and a shaft cutting tool. Preparing your workspace is crucial for a smooth build. Make sure it's clean and well lit. This initial setup ensures you have everything at hand, making the assembly process much easier and more enjoyable. Let's get started with the fun part. Now let's connect the putter head and shaft. Begin by cleaning the hosel of the putter head and the tip of the shaft. This ensures a strong bond. Next, mix your two-part epoxy carefully, following the instructions provided. Apply a generous amount of epoxy to the shaft tip, then firmly insert it into the putter head. Make sure it's straight and aligned. Allow the epoxy to cure fully, which typically takes about 24 hours, before moving on. With the head and shaft securely joined, it's time for the grip. First, apply double-sided grip tape along the shaft, covering the area where the grip will sit. Next, generously apply grip solvent to both the tape and the inside of the grip. This lubrication is key for easy installation. Quickly slide the grip onto the shaft, making sure it's straight and aligned with the putter face. Let the solvent dry completely, usually for several hours, before playing. Your custom putter is almost ready. Take a moment to check all connections, ensuring everything is stable and secure. Make any minor adjustments to the grip or alignment if needed. Proper storage, like using a head cover, will help maintain its condition for years of play. Also, for those looking to improve their financial game, check the description for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other great deals. Remember to regularly clean your putter for optimal performance on the green.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.